In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add dimensions in Fusion 360. By the end, you'll know exactly how to define and control the size of your sketch so it updates predictably as you work. Dimensions aren't just labels, they drive the geometry. When you add them, you're telling Fusion 360 the precise values your design should follow. To begin, press D on your keyboard to activate the Sketch Dimension tool. This is the quickest way to start placing dimensions without hunting through menus. Once the tool is active, move your cursor over the sketch and choose what you want to measure or control. Click directly on a line if you want to set its length, click a circle if you want to define its diameter, or if you want to measure the distance between two locations, click one point and then click another. This is perfect for spacing features evenly or locking in a specific gap. As you hover and click, you'll notice Fusion 360 highlights what you're selecting so you can be sure you've picked the right element before committing. After making your selection, drag your mouse away from the object. You'll see a dimension line and text appear. Position this where it's clear and readable, keeping it slightly offset from the geometry so it doesn't overlap with other sketch elements. This small habit makes your sketches easier to understand and modify later. Click once to place the dimension. As soon as you do, an input box will appear. This is where you define the value. Type the size you want, such as 50 mm, and press enter to apply it. Fusion 360 immediately adjusts the sketch to match that number, locking in the exact length, diameter, or distance you specified. Including the unit, like millimeters, helps avoid confusion and keeps your design consistent with your project settings. You can refine your design at any time. If a dimension needs to change, simply double-click the existing dimension text. The same input box will appear, letting you enter a new value. Press enter, and your sketch will automatically resize based on that update. This is the power of parametric design. You set the rules once, and the model follows them every time. That's the full process. Activate the Sketch Dimension tool with D, make a selection, drag to position the dimension, click to place it, type your value, and press enter. And remember, double-click any dimension to edit it later. With these simple moves, you'll keep your sketches precise, clean, and fully under your control.